Hi, everybody. Happy holidays. My name's Norm Farrar. Some people know me as the Beard Guy. I sell stuff on Amazon and I help people sell stuff on Amazon. I have found an incredible tool to help you out this holiday season. It's a hidden marketing tool from Amazon. And what it's proven to our sales is to increase our conversions by up to 8%. Now, what it is, it's a digital coupon. And a lot of people don't realize that they have it, but you have access to it. And I'm just going to tell you a little bit about it, tell you how to get it, how to unleash the power of it, and just give you a couple of ways that you can save some money on this at the same time. At the end, you're going to be able to increase your conversion and get better sales ranking. So, what is this digital coupon? It's not the same as one of the regular promo coupons that you get in your advertising. When you click advertising, you go down to promo, you'll see promotional coupons. These are good to deep discounts, 90% off, or it's good for layered coupon stacks where you can put it into your listing. You say 2 off, or you buy 2, get 5% off. Well, they're not working. They look great on your listing, but Amazon buyers are lazy. And what I found is they don't want to copy that code. A lot of the times they'll buy the multiple packs, but they don't copy over the code, which, okay, that's fine. With this one, it's a bright green sign or bright green badge that says savings, save 20%. Click here and save $2. And what people have to do, they just click it, and it's instantly added to their to the product that they've just purchased. So we've done this. We implemented it 3 weeks ago. We found out all sorts of little tips and tricks that I'm going to share with you today, and just share some of the horror stories that we had. But we figured it out, and we ended up getting incredible sales conversion, up to 8%. So one thing we found out is we couldn't find it on some of our products. So I manage a few different stores, and some of the stores right there, I went into advertising, go into Seller Central, go to advertising, and then click on coupon. If you see it, you've got it. And I'm not sure why you would have it, because most people have to do it this way. If you don't see it in there, it's hidden. So go to the search tool at the top of the page on the right, just click on it, and add digital coupon or introduction to digital coupon. There'll be a pop-up that comes up and it'll say digital coupon. Click on it. You're going to come to a video in Seller Central. That video in Seller Central is just it's a 2-minute video talking to you about how to use it. Once you finish watching the video, you're going to have access into the back end, and you can create your first coupon right off the bat. Now, it's simple. All you need to know is either your ASIN or your SKU. You enter it, and as soon as you enter it in, you're going to see a display of your product. And then you just click Next. The next thing it's going to ask you is that it's about the marketing side of it. Do you want to do a 5% off to 80%? It's 5 to 80%, or a $1 off coupon. And what we found, we did it both ways. And oh, by the way, when we did this, we had a lot of parent-child variations. So we had a SKU that had maybe green, blue, brown, or 2-pack, 3-pack, 5-pack. And we found this to be a great way to split test this coupon. So at this point, what we were doing is we were picking the ASIN that had parent-child variations. And for the 1-pack, we might put $1 off. The 2-pack might have 5%. The 3-pack might be 10% or 7%. And we just kind of split tested it. This is the area that you would end up doing that. It's very important in this area that if you're doing heavy coupons, like let's say that you're trying to drive a lot of traffic and get a lot of sales, and you go 80%. Well, you want to limit that. And it's right under, there's a button there that says, do you want 1 per client? I would check yes. If this is an ongoing promotion that you're doing 5% or maybe $1 off, you could do multiple discounts. And there's a box there. You just click that one instead. But for me, you can go in, click it, and I like to limit it one per customer. So, and the reason why I do this is, hey, look, I'm building a brand. I want to get somebody to try my product, and hey, I don't care if I give it away for 10, 15, 20%. It's getting people to try it. And then what happens, if they like it, they come back and they buy it full pop. So it's a simple walkthrough. You're going to have to, at the next screen, after you do that, you're just going to have to put the time limit that you want on. It's 1 to 90 days. It's not long term. And you're going to have to apply a budget. So once you apply this budget, you're going to have, every time somebody clips the coupon, so it's added to their cart, you're going to pay 60 cents. And so it's $1. So they'll run it for 90 days or until the $100, let's say that's the budget, is exhausted. And every time it's used, you'll get charged 60 cents. What an incredible way to get people to try your product. And one of the other incredible items that I like about this product is you don't get this in social coupons or in the coupon layering. This one allows you to target traffic. So let's say a competitor's ASIN. You want to come up and you want to, or if it could be purchased products that you've purchased along with this ASIN. You can target those the people that are coming over, the buyers, the Amazon buyers that are targeting those ASINs. You can also target all customers, prime customers. So you have a small, so you have something selling at $10, and you don't want to give away the farm. So you know that if you have to do it FBM, fulfilled by merchant, you're probably going to have to pay the shipping, which could eat into your profit. I have to do that on a lot of my low dollar items. So in this case, I'd only show it to Prime members, so I don't have to pay that shipping. There's also student members and moms. So you can target just about anybody, and it gives you a lot more flexibility. But here's the nugget. I love this. And if you implement it, there's a way to save over 50%. So right now, if you're using it through Seller Central, you're paying 60 cents. If you register for Vendor Express, and as soon as you register and as soon as you're approved, you go to marketing, you'll see it in the drop down called coupons. And you'll, right now, I think the charge is either 17 or 21 cents plus an 8 cents redemption rate, which is a huge savings. It is going to go up. I talked to Amazon about it, and it's going to go up to 25 cents. Plus, there's an 8 cent redemption. So you're going to save 50%. One last thing. I was on the phone with Amazon for 90 minutes yesterday. The color coding of the coupons was confusing me. Whenever I do a keyword search, I could see my keywords were active, and it came in a burnt orange. That's what my graphics guys tell me to call it, but it's orange. You'll see save 10%. When you click on it and it goes to the listing, a lot of my listings were bright green. Your eyes driven over to that side of the page, and you click on it. But half of them, it burnt orange again, and it said, and there was a checkbox. So it meant that you have to do one more step. So we couldn't figure out why some were and some weren't. Any new listing will have that new interface that shows the green, and it looks fantastic. They're updating their listings, and they're going one by one. There's millions of listings, but everybody eventually will just have that green click coupon here. So that's my little holiday nugget. And by implementing this, what you're going to see right off the bat is better conversion rates. So what does that mean for you? If you have a product and somebody else has a product and they're similar, Amazon is probably going to pick your product if you have higher conversion rates to promote, because they have a better chance of somebody buying your product. So anyways, implement this. Give it a shot. It takes 2 minutes to implement, and you'll be a happy Amazon seller.